The rain has started already. It's the end of May. This is Samsara Foundation's last project visit of the dry season in the mountain schools. In the rainy season, the mountain roads become mud streams. It's not only ourselves who can't reach our destination. The locals have huge problems getting their harvest down the mountainside. Any medical care also becomes quite impossible. After 2 months of rain, landslides occur, blocking the roads. Swollen rivers cause flooding as well as major damage to bridges. Nothing can now be done except wait for the next dry season in October, when the roads will have been cleared and levelled. In Samsara's video 3, the impact of rain on the mountain schools.